Hello, welcome. I'm Walter. We have exponential equation we are going to do together. We are supposed to solve for x and y, and they have given to us a half our x multiplied by 3 our y minus 2 is equal to 432. We will start by reciprocating a half to 2 power negative 1 on the left hand side, and to the right hand side we are going to make numbers that is going to have base 2 and base 3. After that, we are going to compare the left hand side and the right hand side. A half is the same as 2 power negative 1 power x multiplied by 3 power y minus 2. This is equal to 432 is the same as 16 multiplied by 27. I will multiply the power 2 power minus x multiplied by 3 power y minus 2. This is equal to 16 is equal to 2 power 4 multiplied by 27 is the same as 3 power 3. Here we can compare the left hand side and the right hand side. 2 power minus x, I'm going to compare by 2 power 4. 2 power minus x, this is equal to 2 power 4. This is if I have a power b is equal to a power c. If I have the same base, exponents are equal, that means b is equal to c. The same way, I'm going to compare to my question here. I have base 2 and base 2. So minus x is equal to 4. Minus x is equal to 4. I'll divide by negative 1 both sides. I'm going to get x is equal to minus 4. Also compare 3 power y minus 2 and 3 power 3. 3 power y minus 2. This is equal to 3 power 3. Now, for this exponential rule, the bases are the same. Now y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y minus 2, this is equal to 3. I'm going to add 2 both sides. Now y will be equal to 3 plus 2. Y equal to 5. So the value of x is equal to minus 4. And the value of y is equal to 5. Let's do question number 2. We are supposed to solve for x, and they have given to us 9 power square root of x minus 2 is equal to 3. First, I'm going to make 9 as base 3. 9 is the same as 3 power 2. So we have 3 power 2 multiplied by square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 3. 3 power square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 3. But we know if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the bases are equal, exponents are equal. So b is equal to c. From that case, I'll put 3 as power 1. Now, since we have base 3 and base 3, 2 square root of x minus 2 will be equal to 1. 2 square root of x minus 2, this is equal to 1. I'm going to square both sides. 2 power 2. 2 and the square root, we can simplify it. We remain with x minus 2. This is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square we get 4. X minus 2, this is equal to 1. We are going to open the bracket. 4 multiplied by x, it is 4x. 4 multiplied by minus 2 is going to be minus 8. this is equal to 1. Now 4x is equal to 1 plus 8. 4x is equal to 9. I'll divide by 4 both sides. Divide by 4. I'll divide by 4. By 4, 1. By 4, I get 1. Now x is equal to 9 over 4. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.